Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 3 of computer class 8th. So first we are going to do the fill in the blanks, then expand the following abbreviations, choose the correct answer, and at last we are going to write the answer the following question. First one, fill in the blanks. Photoshop was developed in 1987 by two American brothers dash and dash. So write the names, that is Thomas and John Knoll. Write the spelling Thomas, 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 and John Knoll, John, John, Knor, Knoll. Second one, dash is the number of pixels on a printed area of an image. It is the resolution, right? RESOLUTION, resolution. Third one, dash contains functions that help to monitor and modify images. It is platelets, right? PALETTES, platelets. Fourth one, the dash tool is used to select paths and path segments. It is path selection, right? PATH, path. Selection, SELECTION, selection. Next, expand the following abbreviation. RGB, write the spelling of this. RED, red, GREEN, green, and BLUE, blue. Next is the PSD. It is Photoshop, PHOTO, photo, SHOP, shop, Photoshop. Document, DOCUMENT, document. Third one, JPEG. It is joint, JOINT, joint. Photo, PHOTO, photo. Graphic, GRAPHIC, graphic. Experts, EXPERTS, experts. Last is group, GROUP, group. Okay children. Next, CMYK. So write Kyan, CY and Kyan. It is magenta. Right? MAGANTA, magenta. Yellow, YELLOW, yellow. Then key, KEY, key. In bracket you have to write black. Okay children. Now choose the correct answer. Dash tool, select an object by drawing a rectangle or an ellipse around it. It is the mark you. Take the C one. Next is we use dash tool to insert text on a page. It is the text, C1. We can use dash tool to crop an image. It is the A1, crop. Now children, this is the book work you have to complete in your textbook. Now we are going to answer the following questions. Okay children. Now first one, what is the Photoshop? It is on page number 30. Open page 30. Now page number 30. It is Photoshop is an image editing software developed and manufactured by Adobe System Inc. It is considered as one of the most powerful photo editing software. This is answer number 1. Okay children. Now coming to the next one, that is the answer number 2. Name the various selection tools in Photoshop CS6. From the question you have to do, that is the various selection tools in Photoshop CS6 are Mark You tool, Lasso tool, Magic Wand tool, Move tool, Crop tool, and Eyedropper tool. This is answer number 2. You have to write the answer number 2 from here. Okay children. Next is question number 3. What is the use of history layer? So this answer I have written in the notebook. You have to copy this answer from the notebook. That is, in Adobe Photoshop CS6, you can use the history brush tool to apply an image area from a different state or snapshot to your current state. Use this tool to restore a portion of an image to an earlier state while leaving the rest of the modified image alone. This is answer number 3. Okay children, now answer number 4. Explain the functions of the components of the Photoshop interface layout on page number 32, 33 and 34. Open page number 32. It is interface layout. From here, once the document setting are completed, the interface appears as shown below. This is okay. You have to write the answer from here. The parts of the interface comprises the following. Okay children, that is main menu. You have to write the heading also and the descriptions also. At the top of the screen is main menu. It contains all the main functions of the Photoshop, such as file, edit, image, layer, select, filter, 3D view, window and help. Image. The image appears in its own window once the file is opened. Image name. The name of the opened image appears at the top of the image window. Platelets. Platelets contain functions that help to monitor and modify images. By default, platelets are stacked together in groups. The default platelets that are usually visible are color, adjustment and layer. If none of the platelets are visible, go to window in the main menu and choose the desired platelets. The most commonly used platelets in Adobe Photoshop CS6 are given below, that is color, switches, style. From here, then you have to write the color contextual tab displays the current foreground and background colors and RGB values of these colors. Sliders can be used to change the foreground and background colors in different color modes. Choose the color from the spectrum of color displayed in the color RAM and at the bottom of the platelets. Now in the switches contextual tab, choose the foreground or background color and add a customized color to the library. The style contextual tab allows to view, select and apply present layer styles. By default, a present style replaces the current layer style. Either the styles in the platelets can be used or add a own style using the create new style icon. Coming to the page number 34, history. The platelet stores each action performed while altering the image. The alteration should be created during the current working session. After saving or closing the document, the platelets clears all the contents. Each time when a change is applied to an image, the new state of that image is added to the platelet. Adjustment. The adjustment layer gives the ability to apply an effect to a group of layers. In Photoshop, we can add it on the effect after preserving the original layer. Last, toolbox. Most of the major tools are located in the toolbox for easy access. The toolbox consists of several tools, but we do not use all of them. Some tools in the toolbar have additional hidden tools. These tools have some small white triangles in the right corner of the tool. To view the hidden tools, click and hold down on any tools that has a white triangle on the corner. This is answer number 4. So children, you have to do the book exercise in the textbook only on page 42, and the question and answers you have to do in your notebook. For that you have to write chapter number, chapter name, answer the following question, and then you have to do the question and answers in your notebook. Answer number 2 is here written. Okay, so you have to copy the answer number 2 from the textbook on page number 43 only. Okay children, so complete your work in a very good handwriting. Okay, and learn the question answers. Thank you.